Hello and welcome back to Awareful. This week I'll lead you on maybe your first meditation or mind training exercise, which is another way of looking at it. Wonderfully, you are in safe hands. So shall we just jump straight in? Maybe? Anyway, now it may seem a little weird, and in particular this question might seem a little bit weird to you, but if I was to ask you right now, how would you know that you were breathing? How would you answer that? Now, how would you know? Now, apart from obviously the obvious answer, which is the fact that you're alive, which I know you want to shout back at me, I've had it before, and that's okay. But what I mean is, what changes in your body so that you know that you're breathing? So maybe you can feel the movement in the stomach. Maybe you can hear the fact that you're breathing. Or maybe there is movement through the nose or the mouth that creates sensation. Just the recognition that the breath is moving in and out in that way. So I just want to see if you can notice what I'm talking about. Just notice one thing or more that helps you know that you're breathing. Did you manage to notice just one thing? Yeah? Well, awesome. So now going back to that one thing again, I want to notice if you can see if it changed. So if you're noticing the air going in through your nose or your shoulders gently moving, can you notice if the sensations change at all? Yeah? Well, of course they would be, but that's awesome. So this recognition or being aware that you're breathing is formal meditation. Easy enough, right? You passed meditation 101 with a distinction. Amazing. Now, awareness is the most fundamental part of meditation or mind training. Why? Because with awareness, we can make decisions. Say you're a CEO and I come to you with a problem. If you didn't realize there was a solution or a strategy to alleviate it, you might worry. Put yourself down. Maybe get someone else to do it for you. my old boss was wonderful at delegating. I don't know why, but anyway, that's a whole nother story. In the same way, awareness of the breath will give you an alternative or a strategy to manage our overactive mind. No, as we notice that it's busy, we notice our mind are a little overactive, we get presented with a solution. And simply see if we can, for a moment or two, just watch our breath and just watch the sensations change again. Now the research, it points to this simple practice as a way of relaxing ourselves, stimulating our parasympathetic nervous system, and often easing our worries about situations. Now, just because you did it once will not mean you've already progressed to Dalai Lama state or the Jedi Master or something like that. Remember, you're an absolute beginner, otherwise you wouldn't be here on an introduction. Brand new. And this beginner's mind is incredibly important, and as a meditation practitioner, you know, it's something that is drilled into us, beginner's mind. In fact, it's one of the most important lessons that we can know. Beginner's mind offers us a freshness that failure is almost welcomed. And in this practice, failure is exactly that. I remember being told that recognizing failure is perfect and fail often. Now, every time you realize you can just watch the movement of breath, bring some ease into that failure by guiding your attention back to the movement. Now, the more and more we fail, the better and better we get. Now, one of my favorite quotes is by the amazing Pema Chodron, where she says, fail better, fail forward. So I've attached for you this week a longer mind training practice called simple breathing, which maybe won't be simple, but at least it sets the right intention. With a longer practice, what you might find, if it's your first time doing one of these types of mind trainings, is that you might begin to hover a little off your bed or your cushion. Just levitate. So what is best to do is actually get someone to come in and hold your hand as you're practicing this mindfulness. There's no levitation, not on session 2 anyway. So you're not going to be holding anyone's hands or levitating. No need to worry about that. Just a bit of a joke. You can do it wonderfully in the comfort of your own bed or couch, cushion or chair, even sat outside in the sunshine if it's warm where you are at the moment. Basically wherever you want. And I'll let you into a little secret. Some people just use the practice to get to sleep at night, which is awesome. Now, with much gratitude and appreciation, see you soon for session 3, where we explore what meditation and mindfulness is and isn't. Have an amazing rest of your day.